Hello, welcome back. Today we make cooking show. Just kidding. Hey everybody, welcome back. My name's Amara Andrew, and today we're gonna make what was the name of this one? Grapefruit Raspberry Kiss. Oh my god. Off to a great start.
We're shooting a few at the same time.
Yeah. We're shooting a few of these back to back in case you haven't seen the rest of them on my channel, so go check them out. But first, stay with this one. So, we are making a Grapefruit Raspberry Kiss. So let's just hop right into it. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a champagne flute and rim it. Rim it good, dun, 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 dun. Rim that shit. So you're just gonna take a lime wedge, rim it, and then just put it in some red sugar. I'm using one that I bought off Amazon. It doesn't have red 40 or any weird things in it. It's just sugar, I think red radish powder or something, and Caranuba wax, so ta-da! Nice and pretty and simple. You're gonna keep that over here. So next what you're gonna do, you're just gonna take 2 ounces of grapefruit juice, pour that in there, and you're done. No, I'm just kidding. Could you imagine? Ta-da! I cracked myself up way too much. If you don't laugh at your jokes, who else will? And then you're gonna take 1 to 2 ounces of raspberry simple syrup. So the recipe for that and for this drink is on my website at amaraandrew.com. So then you'll just pour that in there. Now you're done. Just kidding. Okay, that's getting old. And then just top it up with either Topo Chico, club soda, or whatever other kind of sparkling water you have, or don't have, or want to have. There you have it. Super simple. Now this is actually the end, I promise. I've messed with you too much before, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. So yeah, super pretty color. Take a sippy-doo. That's really good. Could you hear my sipping again?
Always.
Nice. My gross sipping. But yeah, such a simple recipe. It's great for morning, noon, or night. Probably not morning. You shouldn't have sugar in the morning, but whatever. I don't judge too much. But yeah, so that's the recipe. Like I said, it's on my website at amaraandrew.com. Make sure to like this video, comment your favorite grapefruit infused memories, or what else you use grapefruit for. What do you use grapefruit for? Grapefruit juice, grapefruit the fruit, fruit, whatever you want. Anyway, so yeah, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. We have plenty of other mocktails here. We, meaning Jeff and I, mostly
Hi.
me. Shut up, you talk when I tell you to talk. So, just kidding, I love him. Love you. Anyway, so yeah, check out the recipe. I'll see you sometime in another video or in another dimension. Whoa. Bye. Got something. That wasn't me. That was him. I'm a lady. I don't slurp. It's delicious.